Here we've got a Volvo XC60, it's a 2016 model. Once the key's in the ignition, go to start the car. We've just done the service and now we're going to reset the service light. Here it says time for regular maintenance. So we've looked at a lot of videos on YouTube. We've tried a lot of ways, pressing buttons, start, stop on the dash, so forth and so forth, and nothing's working for us. So the way we're going to reset it is with our G-Scan computer here. Very nice and simple. Go to Volvo. It is the XC series, XC60 2016 model. We're just going to reset the service light straight from the computer. Going to have to look for instrument cluster. Or driver information module. Special functions. Reset the service reminder. So make sure ignition's on in the car. So ignition has to be on while the computer's plugged in, obviously. So just make sure. And here we have here operation completed. So you simply click OK there. Now we're going to the dash. Scroll through the settings using this scrolling thing here to start the car. So we just scroll to where here see service, and here it says 12 months or 15,000 kilometers. So like I said, we've looked at thousands of videos, not thousands, hundreds of tens of videos on YouTube, and none of the ways would work with us. So nice and simple way to do it with the G-Scan computer. Thanks for watching and hope this video helps.